Today I am going to discuss about SAM. SAM. SAM is nothing but serial access memory. Memory or sequential access memory. Sequential access memory. In this SAM memory, this memory stores data in sequential order. Store data in sequential order. SAM in sequential order. SAM is a class of data storage device that store data in a sequence. This is different from random access memory. This is constant random access memory where data is assigned in order. Access in order. Once the location is given, it can read any data from any address. RAM is nothing but random access memory. And it is different from SAM. If RAM, once the location is given, it can read any data from any address. It can read any data from any address. And SAM is different. SAM and RAM is different. In SAM, we cannot direct access. We can access one data after one another. Only we can access one data after another serially. Take an example of three cells. Examples of three cells containing of 1, 0, 1 data. Each cell contain, this is the input line. Data contains 1011 is the input line. This contain one after another. This is the output. This is read signal. This is write signal. In this, output of first cell is connected to the next cell, and next cell output is connected to the next cell, and last output is single. Output is 1. At a time, whenever we give the read signal, we can access 1 bit, write 1 bit. Example read operation. Example read operation. 1 is the output. Just to give the output value, because output is connected to the one cell, only it connected to the one cell. Next, read signal. Write signal 0 when it is output is 0. Write signal 0. Input 0, we are giving 0, and the output is 1. And in this we can 0 is applied to 1 and 1 is transferred to here, and this is transferred to here, and the output is 1. This in this manner, 1 0 1. We are giving 0 input. The 0 is shifted to 1 and 1 is shifted to here, and here is shifted to here. Finally 0 1 0 0 1 0. It is also called as shift register. If the output, it is output, if the output is taken back to connected to the input, this is connected to the input, this is called as circular memory. Circular memory. This is about SAM. Now we have to discuss about SAM. Different types. Serial, it consisting of, it is same like shift register, SISO, SIPO, PISO, PIPO is nothing but serial input, serial output. Serial input, parallel output. Parallel input, serial output. Parallel input, serial output. Parallel input, serial output. Now first we have discussed about SISO, serial input, serial output. Now we have to design 4-bit SISO. Considered 4 bits consisting of the clock pulse is connected same to all the bits, consisting of QA data, DA, QA, DB, QB, DC, QC, DD, QD. Same clock pulse is applied. This clock pulse is applied same to all the bits, and we are giving input, serial input, and this output is connected to the next of the next input, and this output is connected to next. This input is serial output. Suppose we have to store 10. Suppose we have to store 1011. Suppose we have to store 1011 data in this shift register. In this register, we have to store 1011 data in these registers. First, clock pulse and QA, QB, QC, QD. First, when we are applying 0 clock pulse, all are zeros. When we are applying 1, this 1 is appears at here, and remaining are all zeros. Next, second clock pulse is applied. Next, data is stored here, and this 1 is shifted here, 1 is shifted here, 0 is shifted here. Next, third clock pulse is applied. 0 data is present here, this 1 is shifted here, this 1 is shifted here, 1 is shifted here. When fourth clock pulse is applied, this 1 is shifted, this 1 is assigned here, and 0 is this is shifted here, this 1 is shifted here. These are the four clock cycles are required to give serial input. Required to give serial input. Next fifth clock pulse is applied. 0 directly 0. This one is transferred here, this 0 is transferred, this 1 is transferred. After 6th clock pulse is applied, 0 is shifted here, 1 is shifted here, 0 is shifted. 7th clock pulse is applied, this 0 is shifted here, 0 is shifted here, 1 is shifted here. Already this one is present at the input. This already present at the input. Does not know. This one is already in the input. Next here 1 and this is a 1 and this 0. This is 1. This one output is the 3 extra serial outputs. Is the 3 extra 3 outputs. Extra 3 outputs.